Hitting back at the opposition TDP for criticizing him for not visiting the flood affected areas, Chief Minister Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy today said in the assembly that he had conducted an aerial survey and has been monitoring the situation. The CM said he did not visit the flooded districts on the advice of senior officials as it could hamper relief works. He stressed that rescue operations are the need of the hour.
పర్యటన చేస్తానన్నప్పుడు అధ్యక్ష ఏం జరుగుతుందో సీనియర్ అధికారులు నాకు చెప్పారు అధ్యక్ష. వెళ్ళాలి కదా, చంద్రబాబు నాయుడు గారు మాదిరిగా పోతా ఉన్నాడు కదా, బురదేస్తాడు బండలేస్తాడు కదా, రాజకీయాల్లో ఉన్నాం కదా అని చెప్పి కూడా అన్నారు అధ్యక్ష. అంటే నాతో సీనియర్ అధికారులతో డిస్కషన్ కూడా చేశారు అధ్యక్ష. అధ్యక్ష సీనియర్ అధికారులు నిజంగా కూడా ఏం చెప్పారు తెలుసా అధ్యక్ష, ఇప్పుడు సహాయం అందించడం, సహాయక పునరావాస చర్యలు ముఖ్యం.
Responding to TDP Chief N. Chandrababu Naidu's remarks that CM will come in the air and go in the air, Jagan said that it is not sensible for a leader with 40 years of experience to make such statements. He said unprecedented heavy rains in a short span led to flooding and devastation in Nellore, Chittur, Kadapa and Anandpur district. 44 people have lost their lives and 16 went missing. The government has been taking up relief works without lapses and providing compensation to flood-hit families transparently, while the opposition is trying to politicize the issue. Hello and welcome to the New Indian Express News Wrap. I am Rajat Thakur. Andhra Pradesh stood at 20th place in the country in the multidimensional poverty index baseline report released by the Niti Aayog. According to the report, 12.31% of the state population are poor, while Telangana stood at 18th place with 13.74%. The index captures multiple and simultaneous deprivation faced by households in three categories of health, education and living standards. Police in the neighboring Telangana have been stopping trucks carrying paddy from Andhra Pradesh on the border since late last night. They have erected barricades at the interstate checkpost at Pullur. Sources said Telangana took the decision as it has surplus stocks of paddy and there are no godowns to store the already available stocks. TDP Supremo N. Chandrababu Naidu's wife Nara Bhuvaneshwari today expressed her gratitude to one and all for taking out protests against the alleged inappropriate comments made against her in the assembly on November 19. She said nobody should resort to any activities that would undermine personality or respect of others. She prayed that nobody else should be subjected to the kind of insult faced by her. With that, it's a wrap. For more news and updates, follow us on Twitter and Instagram and download the New Indian Express app.